Did you know that one popular home improvement project can actually lose you money when you sell your house? We're talking about home renovation projects that homeowners think will boost their ROI, but end up being costly home improvement mistakes that buyers either ignore or actively avoid. If you're planning any home renovation work, you need to hear this before you pick up that sledgehammer. Stay tuned until the end, because I'm going to reveal the one home renovation mistake that can cost you over $50,000 in potential ROI. And it's a home improvement project that most homeowners think is a smart investment. Welcome back to Real Estate World, your global destination for all things real estate. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer, seasoned investor, or someone looking to maximize your property's value through smart home renovation, this channel has everything you need to make smart real estate decisions. Today, we're diving deep into the costly world of home renovation mistakes that can destroy your return on investment and home improvement ROI. Let's jump right into the biggest home improvement ROI killers that you need to avoid at all costs. Mistake number 1, over-improving for your neighborhood. The number one home renovation mistake that kills ROI is spending way beyond what your neighborhood can support. I see this constantly. Homeowners installing $80,000 kitchens in $300,000 neighborhoods, thinking they'll get every dollar back on their home improvement investment. Here's the reality. If you're the most expensive house on the block, you've already lost. Real estate values are largely determined by comparable sales in your area. If surrounding homes are selling for $350,000, your $500,000 home renovation budget won't magically make your house worth $450,000. You might recoup 30 to 40% of that home improvement investment instead of the 70 to 80% ROI you'd get with a more modest approach. The smart move? Research recent sales in your neighborhood first. Keep your total home value within 10 to 15% of the highest comparable sales. This ensures your home renovation actually enhances your ROI instead of destroying it. Mistake number 2, swimming pool installations. Here's a controversial one. Swimming pools. While they're fantastic for lifestyle, they're terrible for home improvement ROI in most markets. The average pool costs $50,000 to install, but typically only adds $20,000 to $30,000 to your home's value. That's a 40 to 60% return on investment at best. But it gets worse. Pools actually turn off many potential buyers who see them as maintenance headaches, safety concerns, or space wasters. In northern climates, pools can be nearly worthless for home renovation ROI because the season is so short. If you want a pool for personal enjoyment, go for it. But don't fool yourself into thinking it's a smart home improvement investment with good ROI. Mistake number 3, luxury bathroom renovations. Bathroom home renovation can offer great ROI when done right, but luxury bathrooms are where homeowners go wrong with their home improvement spending. Spending $40,000 on marble countertops, heated floors, and gold fixtures in a modest home is a classic mistake. The sweet spot for bathroom home improvement is the $15,000, $25,000 range for a full renovation. Focus on quality basics, good lighting, efficient storage, modern fixtures, and neutral finishes. These home renovation improvements appeal to the broadest range of buyers and deliver the best return on investment. Luxury features might make you feel good, but they rarely translate to proportional increases in home value and ROI. Keep it elegant but approachable. If you're finding these home renovation ROI insights helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Real Estate World for more money-saving real estate tips. We post new videos every week to help you make smarter home improvement decisions that actually boost your ROI. Mistake number 4, highly personalized renovations. Your home renovation should appeal to future buyers, not just your personal taste. I've seen beautiful, expensive home improvement projects that actually hurt ROI because they were too specific to the owner's preferences. Bold paint colors, unusual layouts, themed rooms, or very specific design styles can be major turnoffs. What you think is a stunning purple accent wall might make potential buyers run for the hills. Smart home improvement should enhance broad appeal, not limit it. That's how you maximize ROI. Stick to neutral colors, classic designs, and functional layouts for your home renovation projects. You can always add personality through furniture and decor that doesn't require expensive renovation work. Mistake number 5, DIY projects beyond your skill level. DIY home improvement can save money and boost ROI, but attempting projects beyond your skill level often backfires spectacularly. Poor workmanship doesn't just fail to add value, it can actually reduce your home's worth and create safety hazards that destroy your ROI. Electrical work, plumbing, structural changes, and roofing should almost always be left to professionals. The money you save on labor gets eaten up by mistakes, do-overs, and potential code violations that must be fixed before you can sell. Know your limits with home renovation. Simple painting, landscaping, and basic maintenance are great DIY home improvement projects. Complex renovation work requires professionals to protect your ROI. Mistake number 6. Ignoring energy efficiency. Here's a mistake that costs money up front and long-term. Ignoring energy efficiency during home renovation projects. Modern buyers care about utility costs, and energy-efficient home improvement offers excellent ROI. When planning your home renovation, choose Energy Star appliances, LED lighting, proper insulation, and efficient HVAC systems. These home improvement choices pay for themselves through lower utility bills and increased home value. That's double ROI. Windows are particularly important for home renovation ROI. While expensive upfront, quality windows improve comfort, reduce energy costs, and are highly valued by buyers. This is one area where the initial home improvement investment typically pays off with strong ROI. Mistake number 7. Focusing only on interior improvements. Many homeowners pour money into interior home renovation while ignoring curb appeal. This is backwards thinking for ROI purposes. Buyers form opinions within seconds of seeing your home's exterior, and poor curb appeal can prevent them from even wanting to see your beautiful interior renovations. Landscaping, exterior painting, roof repairs, and entry improvements often deliver better home improvement ROI than interior work. A $5,000 landscaping investment can increase home value by $10,000 to $15,000. That's exceptional return on investment for relatively simple home improvement work. Don't neglect the outside while focusing on interior home renovation projects. Balanced improvements give you the best overall ROI. Now for that $50,000 home renovation mistake I promised to reveal. It's home additions that don't match the existing architecture or feel like afterthoughts. I've seen homeowners spend $100,000 on home improvement additions that actually make their homes harder to sell because they look awkward or compromise the original design. Room additions, second stories, or major expansions need professional architectural planning to ensure they enhance rather than detract from your home's appeal and ROI. A poorly planned home renovation addition can destroy your home's flow, create maintenance issues, and turn off potential buyers completely. The lesson? Big home renovation projects require big planning. Don't let enthusiasm override smart decision-making when it comes to home improvement ROI. Let's recap the key home improvement mistakes that kill ROI. Over-improving for your neighborhood, installing pools in the wrong markets, luxury bathroom overkill, overly personalized home renovation, DIY disasters, ignoring energy efficiency, and focusing only on interiors while neglecting curb appeal. The secret to successful home renovation is thinking like a buyer, not just a homeowner. Every home improvement should enhance broad appeal while staying within your neighborhood's value range. That's how you maximize ROI on your renovation investment. What's your biggest home renovation regret? Drop a comment below and share your story. It might help other viewers avoid the same costly home improvement mistakes. And if this video saved you from a potential ROI disaster, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Real Estate World for more money-smart real estate content. Remember, successful home improvement is about making strategic choices that benefit both your current lifestyle and future resale ROI. Until next time, keep making smart real estate decisions and home renovation choices, and I'll see you in the next video.